In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Analytics 4. We'll guide you through this simple process step by step, ensuring that you can easily navigate Google Analytics in the language you're most comfortable with. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Analytics account and locate the admin section. It's symbolized by a gear icon, and you can find it conveniently positioned in the bottom left corner of the page. The admin section is essentially your control hub where you can manage various settings and preferences. By clicking on this icon, you're opening the door to a plethora of customization options. Now that you're in the admin section, you'll notice there are multiple columns available. Focus your attention on the column labeled Account. This is where you'll find the option we're looking for. Look carefully for a link that says My Preferences. Sometimes this can also be labeled as Edit User Settings, so don't worry if you see either of these. They both lead you to the same destination. Once you're in the My Preferences area, it's time to customize the language settings to match your preference. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu specifically for language selection. This drop-down will list a variety of languages that you can choose from. Take a moment to scroll through and find your desired language. Whether you are switching to a more familiar language or simply testing out a different one for practice, the choice is entirely yours. Select the language that suits you best. After you've made your selection, it's crucial to save the changes you've just made. Look for the Save Changes button and give it a click. This button acts as the key to locking in your new language setting, ensuring Google Analytics reflects your preference. One final step remains to complete this process. For the language change to fully take effect within your Google Analytics account, you'll need to sign out and then sign back in. This might seem like a minor step, but it's important for refreshing the system to recognize the updates you've implemented. Simply log out by clicking on your profile icon and selecting the option to sign out. Then, re-enter your login credentials to access your account once more. That's it. Your Google Analytics interface will now appear in your chosen language, making it easier than ever to analyze data and glean insights effectively. Remember, being comfortable with the language of your tools can dramatically improve your workflow and productivity. We hope this guide was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us for more tips and tutorials in our upcoming videos.